Boil the pork with salt, pepper, and bay leaf. Once boiled, transfer the pork in a strainer to remove the water. Do not throw your pork stock. Let's get some onions. Look for some ginger and chili pepper. Here are the simple ingredients we need: ginger, onion, and pepper. Set aside the ingredients and slice them one by one. Peel off your onions and slice them. Try not to cry. Next would be the ginger. Then the chili pepper. We also need the celery. Also the fried tokwa. Heat up your pan and prepare it for frying. It's now time to fry your pork. Prepare your soy sauce and vinegar. Once the pork is fried already, transfer it on a strainer. This is to remove the excess oil. Heat up your clean pan again. Prepare your pork broth and put some in your heated pan. Pour 4 tablespoons of your soy sauce. Then add 3 tablespoons of your vinegar. Then add the ginger. Next to it will be the pepper. Then put your fried pork on the mixture. Next, add the onions. Add the fried tokwa. Put the celery. Mix, mix, mix. Add some more soy sauce. And some vinegar. Let it simmer for a while. Finally, your Tokwa't Baboy is ready to eat.